Welcome to Trade Pro. About to do a market scan and look for trade entries on the FTMO challenge account. It's essentially day 5, but the weekend just passed, so this is day 3 of looking for trade entries. There have been 4 trade entries so far, and 3 of those were losses. 1 was a winner. The account is down by $37, so almost nothing. Good risk management and a good risk reward ratio will keep you from taking a big hit when you have a few losses. So anyway, I'm just following the simple strategy rules and not letting any of my own market bias or knowledge get in the way of sticking to the strategy. So let's do a market scan here. Remember, this is the hidden divergence, 200 EMA, and stochastic cross strategy. So I'm just going to stick to the rules and continue following them. Now, remember, 200 EMA is our only indication of what the trend direction is. So if price is below it, we're only looking for a short. Price is above it, we're only looking for a long. Okay. So right now, euro dollar's under 200 EMA. We're looking for a short. There's no pullback. We're not interested. This one, euro JPY. So this one actually looked good because we had a pullback right here and hidden divergence. So the valid setup was there, but I was sleeping, so couldn't take a long entry here. If it pulls back to around where the original entry was, then I might take an entry on it. So just waiting on that one. I'll check back on it. This one, no pullback. This one, not in a pullback. This one actually does have hidden divergence, and that's why I circled it. So we got the pullback, we got the higher high on the RSI, but at the same time, lower high on the price action. So we got hidden divergence, just need to see a stochastic cross down in order to actually take a position here. So checking back on this one. This one I just don't really like. Really chopping side to side here. And it's hard to know which pullback to compare this to in the trend. It's coming up above the 200, so not really interested in this one. No hidden divergence either. This one got a bit of a pullback, but no hidden divergence. This one, no hidden divergence, got a pullback though, so we can check back on it, see if it gets a lower high here and creates hidden divergence. Let's see. No, this one's not in a pullback. A bit of a pullback here, but no hidden divergence. It's extended. Extended. Looks like we got a pullback here, but looks like the time to get in was this pullback. Don't have a higher high yet, so we can't really use this pullback here. This was our pullback in the trend. For comparing it to this pullback over here, this would be our RSI low. So we did get hidden divergence compared to this RSI low. Yeah, so this one missed the entry, and I guess we'll just need to wait for a setup. This one actually got a pullback here, and we got hidden divergence as well for a short, but yeah, looks like we're late to the party, and it was above the 200 EMA as well. But yeah, this one did get hidden divergence for comparing it to this pullback right here. Yeah. So this peak right here on the RSI compared to this peak, even though we got the lower high on the price, we got a higher high on the RSI. So hidden divergence, bearish, would be looking to short that, but it was above the 200 and stochastic's already crossed down and everything. So just look here, no entry, nothing. See. Yeah, this was the one we took a loss on. So actually we did get an entry right here for a long, and it came up a little and then crumbled, stopped out. So this one actually had nice hidden divergence. So you can see a higher high, but much lower on that RSI. So that would have been a good long opportunity there. Looks like we actually might be able to get a better entry now. Let's see. So the original entry was this candle, I believe. Let's zoom in here a little. Oh, wife's calling. Let's see. Let me see. I gotta say it's right on that higher candle. So right here would have been the entry. Looks like we can get a better entry now. So I'd be interested in taking along on this one actually. Let's see. See here. Comparing to this pullback. Got hidden divergence, gotta wait for a cross down on the stochastic. No hidden divergence. No. Got to pull back here in an uptrend. Yeah, no hidden divergence there. I don't think that's gonna happen. Got to pull back. Yeah, not really. Nothing really there for us. Nope. Let's check these. Yeah, not really, you know. It's just hard to know where to compare this pullback to, since there's really hasn't been a solid pullback along the way here. So I'm just gonna pass on that one. Well, anyway, I'll let you guys know. I kind of pointed out the ones that I'm interested in, and I'll let you guys know if I take an entry. All right, so got 2 entries here on the FTMO account, and let's take a look at them. So first one, Australian dollar against the Japanese yen, long position because we have a higher low, and I talked about this one in the market scan. Price was coming back to a good entry point, so the actual entry, as you can see, is right here, which was right after this wick came up. So entry is right around here. And you can see you got the stochastic cross up, hidden divergence, higher low on price, lower lows on the RSI. So there's our first entry, targeting 2 times the risk. Then there's also another one we saw in the scan, and it crossed down on the stochastic. So that was the entry candle, this red one right here. So in the negative by a little bit right now, and we'll have to see how it plays out. Targeting 2 times the risk, of course, once again. And yeah, that's the 2 entries that I got. We'll see how they play out. All right, I'm just going to wrap up the video here and update these on the next FTMO video. They're taking quite a while, but the Australian dollar Japanese yen trade is about almost halfway towards its profit target, and the Euro Canadian dollar trade is kind of just chopping sideways here. So we'll see how they go, updated on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next day of FTMO.